If you want to build out an XR training program today, I think it's really, really important to think very clearly about what use cases you want to bring into VR. What are the metrics and the ROI you want to see from that program? Programs that just want to try the technology because it's cool are pretty much doomed to failure.
Listen to what the customer's saying. Don't just get carried away with the possibilities of the tech or what you think would be fun or what you'd like to build.
You can't just throw something at a company or a group and say you need to try this new shiny object. You need to understand how is it going to make their day-to-day job easier.
Think of something that requires some sort of tangible action, something that may be hard to train on or waste materials, and come up with a very simple proof of concept, build it out, and then learn from that.
Create a problem statement. What problem are we solving for before we ever come up with a solution? What are your pain points every day? And how can this solution resolve those pain points that you have on a daily basis in your job?
Run tests all the time, get feedback, end user feedback, and then refine on the way.
It is important to understand that these are still really new technologies for a lot of these customers, a lot of these clients. They'll be putting on a headset for the first time.
Once someone puts it on, they understand it. And so I think whenever we get resistance or hesitancy with the technology, as soon as that individual puts it on, they're like, oh, I get it now. This makes sense.
A lot of people just don't want to change. That's just natural. And this is a big scary thing for some folks. It shouldn't be.
They both get excited by new technology, but also get terrified of new technology. And so a lot of times it can feel like you need to push the cutting edge, but really you're just trying to refine technologies and solutions that are already there.
Create the content that your audience wants, not the content that you want to create.